Hello everyone, welcome. This is just the second part of our last tutorial where we have created a pop-up and which will appear on scroll, but this in this tutorial I'll just add a simple interaction on this button so that it on mouse click on this button it will open that pop-up again. So let's just get started. I'm just adding a simple interaction. Select this button. You can add this interaction on any button you like and go to the interaction, start element trigger mouse click, start an animation, new tiny animation, and you can just give it name on mouse click, on click, open dialog. Okay, and our action will be performed on this. So we'll just select model dialog div and create action. So we'll just first put the initial state, hide and show. The initial will be none and opacity will be 0, which is the initial state for this div. And now we'll just add the new property and mouse click. It will be a block and animation. Just add a little animation. Opacity will be this, and you can change the any animation you like from here, and you can check the action. Okay, save. I'll just publish this change. Okay, view. Now on click this, a pop-up will open, and this is a previous video tutorial. We have opened this on scroll. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.